Bonjour, hello. Welcome to Max Mountain World. Welcome to the shack, the Max Mountain World HQ. And yeah, I'm just back from the holidays. I've been doing a lot of stuff, and one of the things I did was I bought these, my Ray-Ban smart shades. The things they do, that play music, they work off of voice commands and stuff. Absolutely awesome, you know, even to the extent, you know, I can just talk to them and they do stuff, you know. So if I go, okay Meta, take a picture. There we go, it's on my phone, and I can do that with videos too. It's all hands-free, so it's great for driving. I forgot that after I'd bought these and I got to know what they could do and stuff. I forgot that I kind of went a bit mental with some stuff. So this evening I've just been looking back at a couple of things, and I clean forgot. I did a Ferrari video where I drove a Ferrari Portofino. Check out the link. I forgot that I drove another Ferrari. Charles Leclerc, step aside. There's another Max in F1. Here's an idea of what I'm doing. Okay. Gears. Wow. Get feeling and everything. Okay, so the brakes work. Doesn't feel like the brakes work, but they do. Whoa. This is so sensitive. Wow. Oh, drifting. Wow. Whoa. On the grass. Oh shit. Have I gone the right way? No. I need to go left, yeah. Wow. Very tail happy on the brakes and the throttle. So there we go. Yeah, these things are pretty useful for all sorts of things, the hands-free thing, but they actually know when they're going on your head. You put them on and they tell you, audio, what your battery level is. If you have a problem with, say, your cap is too low and it's kind of partially covering the lens, it'll tell you after you've taken the shot. Warning, that might not have gone well, sort of thing. Even, you know, which happens a lot in my videos, you know, that covers the lens or whatever, it'll tell you after you've taken the shot, look, we think there's a problem with that. So, and you can actually review it through the, oh, just crazy. But the ultimate good thing is the practicality of it all is, they're just fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I've got another one. I did another one today and I'm getting quite into doing these videos with these things. So I've got another video I did today, and subscribe and all that stuff and you won't miss out on all this stuff. I'm going to be doing that this weekend, and that video that I mentioned, and also the other 7 that I still have to edit yet. I'm going to have great fun doing that this weekend. A chilled weekend, not so much active, but getting stuff up on my YouTube channel. Go with me on this. I'm going to do more and more. And winter's coming. 2 weeks tomorrow for ski. Well, 1 week tomorrow perhaps. Stick with me on this. Thanks for watching. Awesome. If you keep that just now.
You're welcome. It was fun.
Yeah, it's kind of realistic, but not absolutely.
No.
But,
but because it's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I should have asked for Silverstone.
If you want to hold it, I will just leave the steering wheel
Yeah.
so you can just.
I can get out.
Yeah, more easier. So.
Okay. And is this me?
Yeah, exactly. And I will give you the paper with all your times.
Oh, excellent. Okay. Whew.
I hope the video is good.
It should be. All right. Thank you very much. That was awesome. I'm shaking. One sec. Yeah.
Max, just on.
Yeah. Okay.
Your certificate, sir.
My certificate. How did I do? I didn't crash it.
You didn't crash it.
Nearly,
Okay,
but
you did 2 laps. The first one, it's not valid. Not valid the first one. Second one, valid.
Yeah.
You didn't cut in the second one. So 207.
Oh.
It's your time.
not bad. Not bad for a beginner. Okay. That's great. Thank you very much, and thank you very much. That's great.